dawn. Mud on tires, fear is gone. Wind is talking in my ear.